too long here. Huh? No, I don't hear a siren. The siren shouldn't go off if there's a severe thunderstorm warning. Just a tornado warning, but no one should rely on tornado sirens in this day and age. Because remember, that's World War II technology. And sirens are, it's a coin flip chance for them to fail in some way. But it was interesting, I was chatting with someone on Facebook. No, that has to be a vehicle. I think I heard what you were hearing, but like some of the apps weren't working. Like some people just like have one app, and if that app doesn't work, you're not going to know what's going on. So because I follow a bunch of sources, I have a bunch of apps on my phone. It's like I think I have 4. 3 of the 4 went off, 1 didn't. So, but they just issued a warning. We're on the northern periphery here. Alright, luckily I got the lawn finished before it's right. Seems pretty, seems like a pretty standard thunderstorm. To be honest, I don't see what's really severe about this. At least for this location. Yet when it comes to, being in a severe warned polygon, it doesn't mean that everywhere in that polygon is going to get severe weather criteria. It just means that, there's been something reported. So there's something imminent that's part of the storm that's tracking, and that will track over your area. So, but still doesn't mean that just because there's hail, up and top the station doesn't mean it's going to be, hail and spring hail, for instance. But then sometimes, with a storm, it's like all it takes is one gust out of the whole thing. See, now it's like trying to pick up again. For those of you who think that I'm not covered, I am covered, but still, if I'm wet, it's because of horizontal rain. even for a split second. Well, clearly, Mother Nature, she's really talking this afternoon after a break off here. The way some of those trees are blowing in the distance, I mean, you can't be too surprised with some weak limbs snapped off. We've had, a good deal of tree damage, a fair amount, a standard spring's worth, if you will. Yeah, Weather Channel app is Thunderstorm Warning issued for Williamson County until 3. Problem with the notifications is that people are going to think that it's all Williamson County, when the fact is that there's a polygon that probably encompasses only a part of Williamson County, and that's what people need to figure out. Leapers Fort, you may not be in the path of this, but Nolensville might, and Williamson County is pretty big when you consider, storm size, storm motion, path width, and yeah, this is super, wow. Woo. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, huh? Huh? Are you freaked out, Sayla? Are you nervous? Nah, she ain't nervous. I got water covering the wind. Yeah, there's definitely some pretty strong gusts. I would say if some of these gusts aren't severe weather criteria, that they are strong enough to warrant the the rung below, the special weather statements that some of you have probably seen, which is like, it's not quite severe, but it's still strong. 40 to 50 mile per hour winds. It can still bring its share of consequences. So you probably most likely saw some special weather statement. And there'll be less criteria winds there, but yeah. Hopefully get some grass growing in those fall patches thanks to this rain. So alright, well, I think that's probably it. Thanks for watching. If any of you listen to this whole thing, watch this whole thing, kudos. Alright, came out.